This is BuildShare Market part of the presentation. Let me begin with the landscape that makes BuildShare not just relevant, but urgently necessary. Construction is a 14 trillion global industry, representing 13% of the world's GDP. Yet, despite its size, it remains one of the least digitized and slowest moving sectors. In the United States alone, we build 2.7 trillion of assets every year, but we are still 11 million housing units short. At the same time, off-site modular construction is scaling rapidly, growing at 8 to 10% CAGR and already representing a $157 billion market. And on the financial side, tokenized real-world assets have expanded to $8 billion and are compounding at nearly 60% a year. BuildShare sits exactly at the intersection of these macro forces, PropTech, FinTech, and ConTech, connecting the physical and financial worlds so we can build more, build faster, and build smarter. The reason the construction and housing system struggles is because the core of the industry is broken. Workforce shortages get worse every year. Hundreds of thousands of skilled workers missing from the job market. Half of new construction businesses fail within 5 years. And 70% of construction projects overrun their budgets, even before accounting for delays. On top of that, financing is slow, fragmented, and inefficient. Entitlement is not bank fundable. Factories sit idle without a consistent pipeline of projects. Developers can't access institutional capital at scale, and capital markets can't reach the project level with transparency or control. This disconnect creates a multi-trillion-dollar gap between where projects are built and where funding is available. BuildShare's platform, especially our rhythm and beat, speed, and liquidity architecture, is designed to collapse these bottlenecks and create a unified system of construction and capital flow. Our business model: tokenize, connect, build. BuildShare is a real estate development investment platform designed to operate globally, at scale. We combine AI-driven entitlement, robotic off-site construction, and tokenized financial structures to create a complete development system that can operate in every zip code. We activate builder business owners, local developers, entrepreneurs, and real estate operators, and enable them to plug into institutional-grade capital and robotic production capacity instantly. Every component of a project becomes programmable: the land, the entitlement uplift, the factory capacity, the equipment, and the revenue streams, each tokenized and governed by smart contracts. Our BuildShare engine coordinates entitlement, risk modeling, capital formation, and execution, while our BBO network executes projects on the ground. BuildShare co-invests alongside family offices, hedge funds, and private lenders, enabling true joint venture scalability. And at the core of all this is the rhythm and beat, speed and liquidity platform, our proprietary framework that accelerates construction and accelerates capital, becoming the AWS for real estate development. Think of BuildShare as the AWS and Amazon of real estate development. AWS didn't build websites. It built the infrastructure that empowered millions of digital businesses. BuildShare is doing the same for development. Amazon has its warehouse and an army of delivery agents. But BuildShare will not own manufacturing facilities. We will only connect them. Our system delivers compute, capital, compliance, robotics, and distribution, all through one unified platform. Developers, factories, investors, and municipalities plug into BuildShare the same way companies and clients plug into Amazon and AWS. This is the infrastructure layer for real estate development at national scale, powered by AI, tokenization, and our rhythm and beat, speed and liquidity engine.